Hey everyone. So yesterday I got my TCW brand ambassador box, and I thought I would go ahead and show you what I got. This season, the summer 2019 release, we have two designers, Carmen Medlin and Rebecca Meyer. They have designed some gorgeous stencils, so I'm definitely going to show you those in a second. And I also got some of the Ken Oliver Mermaid or the Color Burst trios, and I got the liquid metal trios. This one is Mermaid Tails and this is liquid metals. It doesn't give me the colors, but it looks like we got frosted pine, something berry, and something, or pure gold. Oh, pure gold, that just sounds yummy. And here we got Unicorn Magic, which has the pink, the purple, and looks like an orangey red color. Oh, tangerine. Looks amazing. I cannot wait to play with these. In fact, I wanted all 6, but I guess I was just being a little bit greedy. But, you know, it's just that I'm so addicted to anything that's water-based, like most of you. It's just so much fun. And when I watch Ken Oliver do his little samples where he takes them and sprinkles them right over the stencil, spritzes them with water, and then it's like peel the stencil and it's magic. I love it. So I got those. And then, sorry, allergies. And I've been up all night. As you guys know, my daughter's trying to have a baby. It's just not been an easy process. And yes, she's still in labor. And the baby was breached. She's not breached, so we don't know what's going on. She's right now being checked by the doctor, and I'm at home taking a break. Here we have some scissors that we got from Excel Blades. These are comfort grip scissors, and I don't know about a lot of you, but I have rheumatoid arthritis, so my hands get really achy when I use them. That's why I hate doing a lot of cut work, but these I cannot wait to try. And we also got, what's in here? I haven't opened this yet. This is the company that made the scissors. Excel Hand Tools and Blades. And I was just on their website and I couldn't believe all the handy little tools they have. So I definitely want to go out there and look at them a little bit more in detail so I can maybe get myself some more things, because I can use anything that makes my life easier. And I love having lots of gadgets because, like the rest of you, I'm addicted to tools. We got a white Jelly Roll pen here from Sakura. This is a Micron. This is the archival ink one. I think this is a purple pen. And then this is from Sakura also. This is an opaque pigment marker. This is Perma Opaque. This looks pretty cool. Because it's a pigment marker, I'm gonna say, not sure if it's gonna hold up to baby wipes and stuff, so maybe it'll work on stencils, maybe it won't. We'll have to see. I also got some refills on my favorites. And of course, matte gel medium. I want you to know, I probably go through about 6 jars of this stuff a year. I cannot use it enough. I use it in everything I do. I also, this time, got some gold gesso. And of course the white gesso, and you can never go wrong with the clear gesso. And I use this a lot when I'm using the Ken Oliver stuff or anything that's water-based, because either I put it on first before I do my work, or I put it on after, and it seals the product, but it also makes everything work just a little bit easier and a little bit clearer. Okay, now let's get on to the stencils, because I know that's what you guys want to see. So as I'm doing this, I'm going to read my little cheat sheet so I can tell you what we got. All right, this is the first one. Now, I will tell you all of these until I tell you differently are going to be the ones that were designed by Carmen. This is stencil number 859. This one is fuchsia. Oh, look at that. Just gorgeous. Let's see. And here we have TCW 860. This one is lavender. And you know what? If you turn this upside down, you could probably use this in a tree, or, you know me, I use them in ways that they're not supposed to be used because I just don't believe there's any rules in stencils. Let's see. This is 861. This is Happy Dandelions. And oh, look at the butterfly in that. We've got some blooms and grass in between. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love flowers. Love it, love it, love it. And I love butterflies. I have a butterfly tattoo. And no, I'm not telling anybody where. This one is $8.62. This is maidenhair fern. Oh my gosh, I love the leaves on this. And I just did a tree on one of my projects. I may have to add some of these as leaves in the tree that I'm working on. Oh, $8.63. We have a sunflower meadow. And oh, I love sunflowers. And these are all going in different directions. So you can use them separately if you're working around something. Oh, I love this one. Oof, I see some projects coming to my head already. Okay, this has got to be one of my favorite. $8.64. This is irises. And I don't know if you can see all the detail work that was done in here, but I think Carmen really outdid herself in this. I mean, you can see the curl of the leaves and the petals in this. Oh, I can see it colored right now. Oh, I gotta play. I can't wait. Let's see. Next we have $8.65. This is called Asian Floral. Oh, wow. Oh, this was gorgeous. All right, so we've got some doodled little leaves here, but they definitely have that Asian Oriental type look. This is a beautiful flower with some leaves and some more doodling. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. Next we have TCW 866. This is cypress tree. You know what, this kind of reminds me of my home back in California. We used to have cypress trees over by the beach, and especially up towards Pismo Beach. This is just absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the rocks and the landscape in the background here. I mean, you can use this in so many different ways, but it's like art all in itself. You don't have to do anything, just stencil. Oh, love it. Next we have TCW 867. This is Gulf Coast Creatures. Oh, we got the crab, we got the starfish, and we've got, looks like an abalone shell, a lobster. I don't know what kind of shell that is, I'm not good. This is a sea urchin, right? And these look like little clams right here. Maybe this is an oyster or a clam of its own. Oh, that's an oyster, that's a clam, and I think these are clams. I don't know, I don't eat clams, so I wouldn't know. Let's see, TCW 868. This is called Gulf Coast Flora. So we got the creatures and we got the flora. Ooh, I love the flora because look at all the detail. You've got the corals, all the different types of coral and the little seaweed that you would see in the reefs of the ocean. Oh, I love these. And you can use these any way you want. You can use them individually. You can use them in the backgrounds. Oh, I like this. Imagine these done with some of the, where are they? The Ken Oliver, the new ones, these are the mermaid tails. These colors for there, or you could even use this because it has that tangerine. It would be a great color for coral in the background. So yeah, there's a lot of things I could do with that. Let's see, next we have 869. I love it. This is Bessie, Bessie the cow. I know my granddaughter's gonna love this. Chloe loves animals. She'd be like, moo, grandma, moo. Alrighty, squeaky chair, sorry. All right, next we have 870. 870 is a fir branch. You've got the fir tree branch here with the little needles, and you also have the pine cones. Now remember, these are the 12-inch stencils. They also have the 6-inch, which I already have those put away too. But I figure for video purposes, it would be better just do it with the 12-inch stencils. Let's see. This is by Rebecca Meyer. Now we're starting her designs. This is 871, and this is called Native Star. I can already see that you're gonna see a lot of this stencil in my work because I love anything that's based off a circle. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And next we have 872. This is heart fern. Oh my goodness, look at this. I didn't even know it was a heart. I just put everything in here and wrote the numbers on there. But now that I see it's a heart, and this is in 6-inch and 12-inch, oh, so many uses, so many uses. I love this. And then here we have the Orb Mandela. This one is TCW 873. And look at all those circles. If Scrappy Girl's watching this, did you see all these circles? I'm serious, this is gorgeous. I love this. Next is 874, TCW 874. This is Poppy Grid. I mean, Rebecca's imagination on how she does this, because you can see the poppies are in there, but you also see how it's like a kaleidoscope. She just took an image in there and they just, it makes a beautiful pattern, because you could use this as a cross in the center. I mean, and if you turn it, oh, it's just, you could do so many things with this. I love it. They got little reef designs here. There's, I mean, this is, you're gonna be seeing a lot with this one too, definitely. Next we have TCW 875. This is pine needle print. Oh, wow. I love this. I didn't know it was pine needle print, but now that I read the title, it makes sense. These are like the little pine needle branches. Now you have the positive and the negative. So you have the cutout part here, and then you have the positive imprint right here. And I love how this is like a little border here, and then you've got a separate little border over here. This is awesome, because see, this is like a little corner, and we could use this to frame in something in our journals or whatever we do. I mean, oh, I can't wait to play. Next, we have TCW 876, and this is the last one. This is by Rebecca Meyer also. This is called Screen View. So this is kind of like, I guess, your front porch screen, but wow. I love this. It's got all the little cutouts, and again, anything that's a geometric design is great to use in the backgrounds. But if you look on this, the outside of this, she went through and put like a little scalloped edge all the way around it, so there's no sharp corners. So you've got all the geometric angles in the inside, but the outside is soft and curved with scalloped edge. The little attention to detail that goes into these stencils, you just can't ignore that. I mean, it's amazing. So again, these are the new designs that just came out. If you wanted looky-loo, I guess we could look. Here are the ones that some of the ones I got just recently. These are oldies, of course, not the new ones. I mean, this is Mini Flowers. This is Flower Frenzy. This is Mini Joyful Sunflower. Stained Glass Daisies. This is the Mini Mums. I have this in the big one, but I didn't have it in the 6-inch. I prefer 6-inch because I can port them anywhere with me, and I like to have my work on the go. This is Mini Stained Glass. Oh, I don't think I have this one in 12-inch. Oh, I may have to get it. Let's see, this one is Mini Byzantine. I love this. This is gorgeous. Just look at the details that go into this again. And the circles. Can you tell I like circles? This one is Mini Starburst. This one is Mini Octagonal Lace. This is Mini Sweet Posy. Now I have the 12-inch in this, and I wanted the small one because I like to use them with pastes, especially any of their paste. This is Mini Solid Butterflies. I've seen other people use this, and for some reason I never even thought about this stencil. I didn't see it, and then when it showed up I had to get it. Let's see, we got Mini Peacock Feathers. We have Mini Pebbles Tide. And, oh, nothing on the back there, I don't know why. Mini Ferns. Let's see, Mini Branches. Oops, that was my speaker shutting up. Oh, I turned this. This is Time for Love. Oh, I love that. This is gorgeous. And we have Mini Star and Flower. Mini Butterfly Collage. This is Mini Raven Mosaic. Oh, look at the details. I know I'll use these like non-stop. I mean, stencils to me are like rubber stamps are to other people, I guess. I love this. I mean, I don't know if they have this in 12-inch, but I think it would be worth getting because this has so many applications. This is called Mini Be in Love. This is TCW 523. I mean, I would recommend you get that one. I love that stencil. This is 502 Mini Impressions. This again gives me lots of background images that I can use. This is Mini Moroccan Tiles. I had this in 12-inch and I needed it in the smaller spectrum because, again, I can use this size in so many other details, because I like to take a section of a stencil and just use it in with the paste so that I can get some texture in my paintings when I do them. Okay, here is Punchinella, and I like this size of the Punchinella because I get all the little geometric, background, but I didn't want the holes to be too big because I want it to look more fine and detail oriented. This is Chicken Wire Reversed. This is Mini Star Shower. I mean, look at that. It's just awesome. And this is the Retro Squares. I have this, I think, in a larger one. Cosmic Bubbles. Oh my gosh, circles. And these are mini life words. I got the one right here, and then this is another one. These are both by Rebecca Meyer. This is word association. So that's it, peeps. That was my haul for TCW brand ambassador packages for the summer 2019 stencil release. Again, all of these come in the 12-inch and the 6-inch. So I hope you like this. Again, I did this live. This one's not a voiceover, so don't mind the background noise and all the coughing and hacking from me. Take care, have a great day, and I hope you like it. Bye.